What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm so excited to come your way again. Quite some time. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a very quick tutorial on how to get natural voiceover. Okay, if you are a video editor, or maybe you're a external video creator, or you just create content, videos, YouTube videos, or reels, you will understand what I mean when I say voiceover. Because many times, if you want to create videos, you need a voice to explain exactly what you are talking about. Okay, so let me show you an example of what I mean. So it is an explainer video with a voiceover. Now I'm going to play this
Running
video.
a restaurant has changed, raising cost in ingredients, increasing in running costs, and even shortage of manpower. Not to mention the competitors and demanding customers in improving.
So if you hear this video now, you see that there's a voice behind this video that is explaining what is being displayed on the screen. Okay, that is a voiceover. And if you go to a website like Fiverr, you see thousands of people that are offering a voiceover service. Okay, so if I come over here now, for example, and type voiceover, you see different people offering that service. You see, let me see. Yes, a guy says I will record a deep American voiceover with or without grits, $55. I will record high quality professional voiceover from an African male voice actor, African American male voice actor, $65. So you can see there are people that are offering this service on Fiverr and they're making money from it. So in this video, what I'm going to show you is how do you get voiceover like this,
expanding their business.
Like this.
That's why we create
for your video. Okay, even though it's not a like human voice, but it's just, let's say, 99%, yeah, 99% human. Mostly you cannot even differentiate the difference between this AI voiceover and human voice. And I'm going to show you, you get it for free. Okay, I'm going to get it for free in this method I'm going to show you. Before we get into it, don't forget to come to my YouTube channel, Smart Money Empire. Guys, I want you to encourage me. You can see this subscriber rate is quite low. I need subscribers, so just hit on that subscribe button. That way I'll be encouraged to bring more value added videos your way, and we can grow together. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you another method that you can use to record your voiceover. All right, so without further ado, the first thing you want to do is, if you see this video, there are three stages to video creation. You can just create an explainer video like this. You have to go through 3 steps, and the first step is you need to create a script. Okay, you need to write a script. Okay, that is the first thing to do. Write a script related to the link you are referring to. Okay, so if it's depending on what you are targeting, if it is a explainer video or YouTube video, any video at all, you need to write a script. So once you're able to create your script, then you need a voice. This is where we are coming. You need a voice over narration. Okay, so you need a voice over narration, like the example I showed you here. All right, so once you're able to get your voice narration, then you can go ahead and create your animation. Okay, now create your video animation. Okay, so you now go and create a video animation. If you like, you can still put the photo, which is adding the sound effect. Okay, for example, that video I showed you here, behind the voice, you can see there's a sound effect.
One-stop solutions for your restaurant.
So you can see there's a sound behind it. So this is just the 4 steps that you take in creating a video like this. Okay, so the first thing you want to do now is you want to write a script. This is the first thing you want to do. And to do that, you're not going to stress yourself. Let's say, for example, you want to create a video on weight loss, something like top 5 weight loss tips. Okay, let's say you want to create a video on top 5 weight loss lists. So this is the script you are going to write on. So the different ways to do is that you go to Google and just type it on Google and search on it for Google, and Google will give you even more than 5. Google will give you like 100 tips to lose weight. So you can go to Google, search, open your Microsoft Word, then paste it there. So you can see Google says, do not skip breakfast, eat regular meals, eat plenty of fruit and vegetable, get more active, drink plenty of water, eat high fiber foods, read food labels, use a small plate. So, but we don't want to go through this stress. So, and that method, you can do this is by using ChatGPT. Okay, so ChatGPT, what I just need to do is to log into my account right now. So this is ChatGPT. All I just need to do is to come over to ChatGPT and say, "Hello, assistant," and allow it to reply. So once it replies, you can say, "Can you please, can you please write me an explainer video script on?" So just tell him to write a script for you, an explainer video script on top five weight loss tips. So give it to that. So you can see it will generate a script for you on this particular subject or topic. So you can see there's a script. So it will give you the storyboard that you can use to create the video, like this video now. So it will give you all of that. Are you looking to share the phone? So you allow it to write. I will allow it to write. Then you now take it up from there, which is the next step, which is our voiceover. All right. So now let me allow it to write. I'll pause the video while it completes the script for us, guys. So as you can see, our script is ready now. So I just need to copy this. Our external video script is ready. Okay, go. So I'm going to copy what ChatGPT provide for us. And I'm going to put it, sorry. Now that we have our script, we're going to put it, before you put it on Microsoft Word, you put it on Notepad first, so that the images and everything will be, the text behind it will be removed, okay? So I'm going to delete that, then come to Microsoft Word and paste it there. So now our script is ready. Our script is ready. So we're going to remove all these open shots of a person waiting, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to remove all of that. Delete. Then I'm going to remove this narration too. Anything that has to do with, that doesn't have to do with the script, all the storyboard, I want to remove it. So let me just pause the video while I do that. So guys, as you can see, our explainer video script is now ready. So everything's ready. So what you want to do next now is you want to convert this Microsoft Word. You want to convert it to PDF. So all I'm just going to do is to go to File, Save As, then choose wherever you want to put it. You can just so I'm going to choose where I'm going to save it. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Then I'm going to name this file something like weight loss tips. I'm going to click it on my desktop. Then I'm going to change this one to PDF. So it's going to save as type as PDF. And click on save. So once it's saved on your system, now you go over to where the file is. So you can see it's now in PDF. Everything's now in PDF. But you are not going to open it with this your normal system PDF. No, I'm going to close this one because that's not what I want to use. Now I'll go to where it was saving. This is the file. This is the file. So what I just need to do is to right click on it. Then where you see where they write open with, click on open with Microsoft Edge. Alright, so now it's open with Microsoft Edge. So with Microsoft Edge, you can record your voiceover. So what you're going to do is we see where they write read aloud. You're going to click on that.
Are you looking to shed a few pounds and feel healthier? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 5 weight loss tips to help you achieve your goals. Tip number 1. Incorporate cardiovascular exercise. One of the most effective ways to lose weight is to incorporate cardiovascular exercise into your routine. Activities like running, biking, and swimming can help you burn calories and increase your metabolism. Tip number 2. Strength training in addition to cardio.
Deliberately pause it because I noticed something. You see, when you get to this strength training, you just jump over to this place. There's no pause, which is not really good. If there's no pause, people will easily notice that it's AI voice, not real human. So what you're going to do to avoid that is you come over to your script, make sure that at every place you want a pause, put a full stop there. either put a full stop or comma. So for here now, you put a full stop so that when you get there, it will pause for some time before going to the next line, which is in addition to cardio. So you put a full stop or a comma to anywhere you want it to give a pause. So I don't just be reading like a robot and on like that. Okay. I hope you understand what I mean. So let's
Cardio,
continue.
strength training is also essential for weight loss. Building lean muscle mass can help you burn more calories even when you're not exercising. Tip number 3. Practice portion control. One of the simplest ways to lose weight is to practice portion eating smaller, more.
Alright guys, so that's how to create an explainer video for your, a voiceover for a explainer video. So you can come over here and change the voice. You can increase the speed, you can make it slow, you can bring it to normal, you can make it fast. Then you can select other voices here. There are thousands of voices here. The one I'm using currently is Aria. You can change it to Sonia, you can change it to email voice. Let me change it to email voice. You can choose the country, United Kingdom, or any of it. So let's try email voice now.
More frequent meals throughout the day can help you avoid overeating and keep your metabolism humming. Tip number 4, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can also help you lose weight. Water helps keep you feeling full, flushes out toxins, and boosts your metabolism. Tip number 5, manage stress. Finally, managing stress is also key to weight loss. Stress can cause your body to produce cortisol, a hormone that can lead to weight gain. Practices can help you reduce stress.
Alright guys, so that is how to create an explainer video. So a voiceover for explainer video script. So that's one of the way. I promise that those that will watch this video to this point or to the end, I'm going to show you another way. So the other way is to use 𝗩𝗢𝗘𝗢𝐻. But let me pause this video while it loads. Interface of 𝗩𝗢𝗘𝗢𝐻. This is the interface. You just need to sign up with them, then come over here and click on do all the paparazzi they have you to do. But the thing is, 𝗩𝗢𝗘𝗢𝗢 is paid. Okay, it's paid version. It's paid AI. So you have to pay for it to do the work, and for you to, once you pay, there's free version, but they only give you 10 minutes to use the free version. After 10 minutes, you can no longer generate a voiceover. You have to upgrade. You can see where the record upgrade. So I'm going to drop a link in the description of this video for you to sign up to 𝗩𝗡 and get a discount for your payment. So for 𝗩𝗡, you can just come to create a project and say how to lose weight tips. So you choose what you want to use it for, either for video or just audio. For me, I want to use it for explainer video, so I'll just click on explainer video. Click on create project. So what you're going to do with 𝗩𝗡 is you're going to copy all of these scripts into 𝗩𝗡. But you know, we are dealing with minutes here because I'm using the free version right now. So you're going to copy just some few words, then you're going to use. Then you can also select the voice you want to use. With 𝗩𝗡, there are several
when you're looking to train
here.
your employees, you want to make sure they have the right instruction. Security Hub is committed to providing the best safety training in the industry.
So they have male voice here.
The Amazon rainforest is the.
So let's select this guy, Kata. Then what you're going to do is you're going to paste your script. So to ask you, do you want to split it by paragraph or by sentence? So you're going to split it by paragraph, which is more better for you. So this is how it will look like with splitting in paragraph. So to split, you can see it will split the introduction part, then tip number 1 separate, and go ahead and then tip number 2 separate too. So I think I copied to tip number 2. So that's how it looks like. You can also split by sentence. Don't split by sentence. Don't split sentences. You can split that. Or split script by sentence. You can see that. But this one is not really good enough. Yeah, I prefer it by paragraph. So you click on paste script. Okay, it's not that you have pasted your script, so you can see the script are there. So all you're going to do now is you want to listen to it first before you export it. So you're going to come over here and see it. So to generate the audio for you, and then to start playing.
Are you looking to shed a few pounds and feel healthier? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 5 weight loss tips to help you achieve your goals. Tip 1. Incorporate cardiovascular exercise. One of the most effective ways to lose weight is to incorporate cardiovascular exercise into your routine. Activities like running, biking, and swimming can help you burn calories and increase your metabolism. Tip 2. Strength training. In addition to cardio, strength training is also essential for weight loss. Building lean muscle mass can help you burn more calories even when you're not exercising.
Alright guys, so that is it. So now you can export it. You can say export video, voice only, voice plus music, script. You can add music to the background of this thing. You can add music, can add media to it. So as it's playing, the music will be playing just behind it. So you can add music, stock music. Then you can also, if you have it on your system already, you can import it to your what's it called, from your system and import it there. Okay, you can see there are stock music. If I play it now, I can add it. So you can select that. Next, add to timeline. So you can add to timeline. So
Are
as
you
you can
looking
see,
to
so
shed
as
a
this
few
guy is
pounds
talking,
and feel healthier? Well,
let me see. So you're gonna export. So you're gonna export it with music. Then click on download here, and you are use a voice improve plan. So if you upgrade, you'll be able to download it and start using it, guys. But mind you, what I also need to say here, if you are using Microsoft Edge, which is free, you just start playing the voice here. You need to open your recorder like this Camtasia now and click on record. So you'll be recording your screen. Once you record your screen or use voice narration or the Audacity, any of the recorder. So as it's playing here, it will be capturing the voice for you. You'll be recording it. You understand? So once you record the background, then use your video editor to remove the video and to remain only the audio. I hope you understand what I mean. So you use one stone to kill two birds. So as it is recording, you use your what's it called, this Camtasia, if you have it, to record your screen. Don't worry, just record the video and to capture both the video and the audio. So guys, that's how to go about with creating a voiceover for your similar video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to come back to my YouTube channel, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my video again. Till we meet again, guys, keep winning.